it had to do with, learning how to the system and process of notes. So how to take the notes, when to process them, right? Because you need to process them as soon as possible, right? After, if you got back-to-back classes, it's a different story. Obviously, but you got to schedule yourself. So that's when you got to be, intelligent when it comes to scheduling your semester, your courses, right? How to process them, think about it, right? I was talking with somebody that's in the film industry, like studying to do, film, like movies, right? Taking 16 pages of notes per lecture. I go, what? 16 pages of notes per, I mean, I was doing, in my biology degrees, okay, science degrees, it was 3 or 4 pages per lecture. Call it 4 pages, right? 4 pages, and you're taking 5 courses per semester, 3 hours. So you got 15, hours of lectures per week times 12 weeks, right? So 15 hours of lectures, taking 4 pages of notes. We could take out a trusty calculator, right? So 15 hours of lectures, right, times 15 hours times 4 pages of notes, right?
That's 60 pages.
Okay, per 1 week times 12 weeks. We got 720 pages.
Right.
So if you got 15, all right, times 16, okay, that's 240 pages that week for that poor girl, times 12 weeks. We're talking about almost 3,000 pages, okay, 2,880 pages. How do you study for an exam? How do you do that? Okay, so
Exactly
2,800
how?
divided
And have a life, right? We're not
and
just
have a
students aren't students 24 hours a day.
right.